So, have a good day, Marion TV. So, featuring LG upright freezer. So, freezer po ito guys ha. Upright. 6 cubic feet inverter. Ayan. Of course, LG po yan. With 2 years warranty sa parts and labor and then 10 years warranty sa compressor, inverter. Ayan, so silver type po siya, parang stainless. And then open natin yung loob. Ayan. So, ang dami niyang layer guys, oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 layers and then 4 door baskets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ayan. So, inverter, freezer. So, freezer po to guys, ha. Ayan. So, LG. Of course, subok na matibay, subok na maasahan. And then, yung wattage niya is only 85 watts lang. Yun, napakababa sa kuryente niyan guys. So, bili na ng LG upright freezer, 6 cubic feet. Dito lang sa Abinson Pure Gold Tayuman. Okay, have a good day. Follow me for more. Marion TV.